So what's going on, YouTubers and all you subscribers out there in the junk world making that money and that cash flow? Guess what happened? I got home today, me and the Julio went out, made some money, sat on the couch, a couple of jobs came in, and guess what the JoJo said?
Well, let's go.
Let's go get that money, and guess what happened out here? It snowed.
It snowed. It never snows here.
So check this out. This is Windsor, California. Earlier today, we were rolling through there, and we seen 6 cars spin out.
That's because nobody here knows how to drive in the snow.
Yeah, that might not be snow to you guys, but out here in California where we live, that's some snow. So
Yeah.
if you guys haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button, and we're heading out to make some money, some moolah, some cash flow. You ready?
Always.
Let's do it.
So it is 10 days before the first day of spring, and it does not look anything like it's even near spring. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your weather is like, because it is crazy weather here today. So we are at our first job, and this lady found us on Google. We rank really high on Google organically. There's so many things that we do to try to keep our organic reach up, and we're going to give you some of those tips.
Now let me show you what needs to go.
So look at this find of the day. This is, it's beautiful. It's classy. Sell that.
So about 25 minutes later, job is complete, and the sweet old lady tried to hustle me. She said she was gonna pay all cash, and after we loaded everything up, she said, "Do you take credit card?" And I said, "Yes, I do, ma'am, but it's gonna be a little bit more money. So don't let them sweet old ladies hustle your ass. Keep that in mind." Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yeah.
Why you over there laughing? For
Well,
real.
because she didn't have much stuff, and then it ended up being more stuff, and then she wasn't going to pay cash. She was going to pay with a card. So yeah, she's switching it up.
So just be aware, guys. Get your money. Get your money. So we're heading to the next one right now, and it's in Fountain Grove, and there's some cardboard. I'm excited. And it's in the garage too.
And that person found us on Yelp, which is another free platform that helps get you out there, and it also helps rank you organically high in the search engine.
So we're heading there right now. Look at my teeth. They're super white. Look at that. Super clean, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at these damn clouds. They are dark as hell.
Look, it looks like we're in a fog.
I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but there's fog coming off the ground.
Look how dark it is over there.
Oh, it is dark. So I just got a phone call from a customer, and JoJo heard the conversation. And JoJo, how do you know when the customer's gonna be cheap and this lady's gonna be super cheap?
You can tell because they don't have much stuff, but what they've got is good stuff.
And they keep saying, "Oh yeah, we got a heavy table, I got a box spring, I got a cabinet, I got a couch, I got a lamp." And the lady did not stop talking. She said she had a little bit of stuff, so she was downplaying it to the fullest.
Yeah.
And she said it was all good stuff. I had to let her
Good
know
stuff.
too.
Yeah. I hear that all the time. It's good stuff.
It's good stuff.
I got good stuff.
Got good stuff. Be aware of those customers. They are super cheap. And now for all the ladies out there that are looking for some good gloves, JoJo got the good gloves.
Yeah, it took a long time to find these because my hands are small and it's really hard to find gloves that fit good and snug. And so a subscriber sent these to me, and the brand is Diggs, and they're actually garden gloves, but they come in like small, extra small, because I like my gloves to fit tight. And I love, it has like extra stitching right here of suede. And I've had these for a good long time, and they Velcro nice and tight so they don't fall off. I really like these. These work really good. So you're gonna find them in the garden area.
And maybe we'll leave a link down below. So check out the link down below and you can get them off Amazon. And that might help us buy a cup of coffee later on.
Oh yeah, because if you hit the link, it goes to our affiliate. And so, yeah, and it will... You can buy gloves and we get a kickback. So win-win.
Win-win, baby. We love you, Amazon. Hopefully they're on there. I don't know if they are or not. We'll find out.
If they weren't on there, then it's not in the description. So we are at our next job, and this person found us on Yelp, which just goes to show that all those free platforms help your search rank organically. So if you watch to the very end of the video, we will let you know how much we spend on advertising for the whole entire year.
So here's the next job, and it's all this cardboard and it's all recyclable, and we charged $149. All I gotta say is easy money.
So we are headed to the next job, and we're gonna find out if my prediction was correct or not.
So guess what? Even the pros are wrong sometimes. We got the job and got it done, and it was easy money. Now we're done for the day, and I started the day off with Julio and ended it with a JoJo. And we're gonna tell you exactly how much money we spent last year for the whole year advertising. And how much was it, JoJo?
$2,148 for the entire year.
That's nothing. We bought t-shirts, hats, flyers, business cards, Craigslist ads, Facebook boosts, and that's all we spent.
That's all we spent. So we don't do the pay-per-click, and we don't do Google ads. So that's not really taking a big chunk of our money. We just try to really do an organic reach and do it without spending a lot of money. $2,148 is not a lot of money to spend on advertising for an entire year.
It's super nothing. So if you guys like these videos, hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget, keep hauling and balling and grab that gear down below.
And leave a comment down below. How much do you spend in advertising for a year?
Yeah, let us know. Until next time, we love all you guys.